Hello, welcome to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's always a pleasure having your company. I'm on today to share with you this pencil case that I bought to store all my pens and pencils. It has got 220 holders in there. Yes, it's supposed to hold 220 pens and pencils, and I am really hoping that it's enough. I don't think I've got any more. No. Oh, that one's stitched onto the back. Alright, so, right. We've got 3 here. 1 on each side and 1 front and back. Alright. It was, I think it was £18.99 for this. And because all my pencils are all over the place, I've got pencils in here. These are my Prisma colour pencils. And I have got these here. Then I have these, as you normally see me with them. And then I have this. I've got a few more here, there and everywhere. And as I go along, I will put them in. But I just wanted to have everything in one place because it's driving me nuts having all these containers all over the place. So that's what I wanted it for. I'm really pleased to have it, and I think I'm gonna start putting them in. I do have a pencil case for my Bible studies where I've got pens and pencils and everything in there. I use a Prisma pencils for the Bible. I don't use any highlighters and stuff. I prefer to use the pencils, and I'm really happy with, of course, the pencils. So I'm gonna leave it like that. And I do need to carry my pencil case whenever I'm doing my Bible studies and stuff, but these are just for everyday usage. I use these ones. These are the Staedtler ball, the 4320M, and I use these ones for my journals. I also use my Tombow as well, but these are running out now. I've had them for years and they are running out, so I'm just going to make the most of them and use them as much as I can now to just finish them off. So I really just need to get them in here. Right, I'm going to make a start on it. If you do want the link to this, let me know in the comments and I will be happy to leave the link for you on them. And I'll use the normal colouring pencils first. So here we go. And I do believe 2 can fit in. 2 can fit into a space. I'll put the browns. I'm going to try and put them all in colour, and I will speed it up because it's going to take forever. Right, so wish me luck and I'll get started and we see how it goes. That's good. I like that. Did I mention that it's got an out pocket here and it's got a zip pocket here? I'm going to go through all my Sharpies and these ones because I've had them for quite a while, and I will see which ones are working, and whichever ones are still working I will get them in here. But I think this is great. Everything is in one place now. I just grab this when I'm journaling, I open it up and I use what I want to use and close everything up. These Prisma not used apart from this one, the black one, but a lot of these I haven't even sharpened. I haven't used them as yet, just a few. And I didn't put the dark colors into my my Bible study pencil case because I only went for the light colors, because remember I'm highlighting with the pencils, so it doesn't make sense me using the chocolate browns and stuff for highlighting. But I like this so far. The only thing, I thought this was more of a teal. This is green. I really thought it was more of a teal color, but it, you know, it's serving the purpose, and I'm okay with that. I could just put this into my Raskog or even leave it in front of my desk here. It's very compact and I'm really loving it. So if you did like this video, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves and I will see you back soon. Bye for now.